Hello, today we will guide you through how to buy and sell in Exness. To begin, go to your Exness account and open the web trading platform. This is where you'll be able to view available markets and place your trades. Once you're logged in, take a moment to get familiar with the layout of the screen. The trading interface is designed to keep the market list, chart area, and order controls all within easy reach, which makes the process quicker once you know where everything is. Next, look to the left side of your screen. This is where you can browse the available assets or instruments. For this example, select the coins category and then choose BTC. Using BTC helps demonstrate the process clearly, but the same general method applies when trading other supported instruments as well. After selecting it, the platform will load the relevant trading view so you can prepare your order. Now move to the right side of your screen. Here you'll see the area where you can choose the form or trade setup you prefer. Click your preferred form before continuing. This part is important because it determines how you want to enter the market. Make sure you pause briefly to confirm that the settings shown match what you intend to use before placing the trade. If your goal is to open a sell position, click Sell, and then continue to confirm. A sell order is typically used when you expect the price to move downward. After clicking, review the confirmation details carefully to make sure the selected instrument and trade setup are correct. Confirm only after you're satisfied with what's displayed on the screen. If instead you want to open a buy position, click Buy, and then continue to confirm. A buy order is generally used when you expect the price to rise. Just like with a sell order, review the order details before final confirmation so you can avoid placing a trade with the wrong setup. That's the full process for buying and selling in Exness. The key is to move step by step. Access your account, choose the asset from the left side, select your preferred form on the right, and then choose either sell or buy before confirming. As a final tip, always double check what you're clicking before you confirm any order, especially when trading fast-moving assets like BTC. Taking a few extra seconds to review the screen can help you trade more confidently and accurately.